Hi Colt, here's a short video of your board repaired and working. I'm booting it up for Road Kings now. There was a bad transistor and the sound issue has now been repaired. So I just want to go through some quick tests to show you those are working. Here we go with the music. Here's the display test. Everything's working. I played full games on this in my Fire. Anyway, I've done full testing on this board. Everything works great. All the sounds work. Everything's working fantastic. It's good to go. So thank you so much, Colt.